Welcome back to another episode, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iOS 15 bugs. After you are updating the iOS, you'll be having these kind of troubles and how you can fix this up. So basically we have four issues right now, which is called iPhone stuck when you're trying to update. Your live text is not working, as well as your iPhone storage is completely used up, and also the iTunes can't run error. These are the basic errors which most users are having right now when they are trying to go for iOS 15, and we're going to talk about how to fix this up. So when you're having any one of these issues, the one solution which you can try out is this one, which is very simple and which I request is the first one is all about a forced restart. So if you don't know how to do a forced restart, I'll be providing a link in the description where you can watch the entire video on detailed explain about how to do a forced restart. And if you know or if you're aware about it, even though I'll be showing you the steps how you can follow. So what you have to do is just have to press volume up followed by volume down. Press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. And this is what you have to do. And once it is done, what you have to do is you just have to follow the next instruction. So the next instruction is all about you have to do a reset network settings. So to do reset network settings, you just have to navigate to do a reset network settings, tap over here on the settings. From here you just have to tap on general. From here you just have to scroll down and you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here we have an option called reset, and you have to go for reset all settings. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having this issue, and most probably by trying these out, the issue has to be fixed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. And this is Shahin. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.